Hi, the next thing I'm going to do is show you an Easter door wreath. We're going to do this next Sunday on a workshop that we're going to do, but obviously we can't do it, so I thought I'd show you on here. So all we're going to do, this is a moss wreath, which you just bind the actual moss onto the wreath. This is one I just had ready, so I just thought I'd make it with this. So you stab your wire in, your bobbin wire, take it over the top and secure it up. And then all we're going to do is get a selection. It's going to be a really nice foliage on this. Again, things out of the garden. So we're just going to lay the foliage on the top and then just bind it on with the bobbin wire. I think you can see it there where it's tying it on. When this goes rusty with the rain, it will hold the whole thing together because it will dry out. So then when it starts to dry out, the wires will hold it in place. I'm just going to put some eucalyptus in now. I'm not going to cover the moss completely because I quite like the moss actually peeping through. And again, we're going to put some of the contorted hazel in. This looks fab just going through. I hope none of the birds nest in this over the Easter period. I'm going to pop it on the door. There's that. Then we're going to put a bit of the bay leaf. Again, that smells really nice. I'll hold it up in a minute and then you can see. So as you can see, all the different textures in the foliage. A bit of the laurustinus. I'm not quite sure how long this one will last, but I think it'll dry and it'll look even nicer when it all dries out. Then I'm just going to pop a little Easter egg in there, just nestled into the foliage. I'm going to stab it in slightly into the moss, she says. It just stands proud a little bit. I don't like that horrible woody stick showing, so I'm going to get a little bit more greenery. Just pop that over. So you can basically get the idea of what we're doing. So what I'm going to do is just cut the film in for a minute and I'm going to carry on and then you can see the finished products afterwards. Because it'll be a little bit boring, I think, if you just watch me doing all this. Right, so it's really taking shape now, as you can see. Put some little Easter eggs in again. And it's, you can see it from the side there. And I'm just working my way around and then just doing different types of foliages, the different textures. The variegated foliage, shiny foliage, and then the eucalyptus, which is like a matte finish. So like I say, you can go around your garden hopefully and get lots of these different types of foliages in. This is something I've wanted to do for a long time, doing workshops and demonstrations, but just haven't had the time because the shop is so busy. So I'm hoping when we get up and running again that we will be offering some of these workshops, for you to come and do them. So you just have to let me know if you're interested and what you'd like to do, whether it's an arrangement, door wreath, there's endless things we can do. So this is really enjoyable. Not getting interrupted by the phone. I'm just doing a lovely piece. As you can see now, it's really taking shape. That's the back of it, and that's the front. As I said yesterday, we did do this yesterday and we had a malfunction with the camera and I did it all and it didn't film. So we're going to take a picture of the wreath I did yesterday and we'll show it on the door, but you will notice that it isn't actually the same wreath, it's the wreath that I did yesterday. So, Mum's going to get this one. Some of you will know my mum, Norma Miller. So what we're going to do also, hopefully we're going to do a planted arrangement with my mum tomorrow, and we'll get that on Facebook. Some of the plants that are in the garden, and some that I had to take on, some primulas and some violas that were at the shop when we had to close down, so we had to bring them all on. So there's plants all over Mum's, plants all over my house. So tomorrow I think we're going to do a nice planted arrangement for you to have a go at. I'm going to put this last egg in, just stabbing it into the moss, that, so it gives it like a, so it's not flat, so it's a nice 3D look. So when you do see the finished product on the door, it isn't actually this one, it's actually the one that we made yesterday. Let's get some more of the box. This is nice, but it's quite bushy, so it really fills in well. And the twigs give it like a different texture and a different look. So I hope the birds don't think it's somewhere where they can start nesting, because all the birds are now making nests in the trees. I was watching them yesterday. I never get time to watch the birds, but yesterday I did. But we are quite lucky where we live. We can actually get outdoors with us being on a farm. So then when it's finished, all you do is just cut the wire off, and then you just spike it back into the moss. Keep it firm. So that's the finished look. And as I said, we'll show you a picture of the one that we did yesterday. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and hopefully I'll try and do some more over the coming weeks. Hopefully we won't be shut down too long, and we'll see you quite soon. Thank you.